Enemy forces ahead!
Yeah. Who says? Oh, we have an actual player on our team. He's calling shit out, or is that a random car, a bot calling stuff out? Is he really that crazy? Where are my guns even on this shit, bro? I don't think I have one gun. Okay, I have a couple.
Yeah, the Chester wasn't firing a whole lot for me.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. She's looking great. This is not a ship I'd want to be on. I'll tell you that much. We shall ride in the battle. 9.2. I'm gonna whip
Follow me from my rear.
Yeah, I'm gonna whip over here too.
Oh yeah, I penetrated him so fucking hard right there.
Wish I was him.
Oh, I penetrated him some more. You can really feel the tip.
I'm about to bust. I'm about to start busting.
Oh, I
way
came
off.
up short.
Oh yeah, the thing I like about this too is you can queue up like your next like time or thing if you want to switch ammo, and you don't have to like waste time or whatever. It automatically switches then.
Baby, just pat me the.
Baby, pat me the hookah. Sometimes like when people speak, I'm like, bruh, you ain't never been past the hookah.
This guy's trying to make a run for it. No, 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 Waters.
My ship is not firing well.
Oh, I just missed all those. That's embarrassing.
Baby, just pat me the hookah.
My ship is not firing well.
Well, I'll pass you something, alright. I incapacitated him!
Oh, those are some good shots.
Oh, he's on fire. He's flaming.
Bang!
Baby, pat me the hookah.
Damn it. Come on, me.
Cityed him. Get fooked.
On fire again. Get fucked.
Oh, he's mine. I've got him. Yes. You'll
That's
feel
right.
my wrath. Taste it. There we go.
That's
now.
right.
Easy mobbing. Oh, there's a guy behind us. What the fook?
Behind us.
Yeah, there's a little destroyer right there.
What's he doing over there?
I'm not sure. We got some boys just right next to each other too right here. Perfect.
Baby, just pass me the hookah.
Yeah, these maps are a little bit different than like the Xbox ones. Like people end up in like super close quarters. Also, they're bots. They just can't go straight.
What?
And, World
Oh,
Warships.
heavily damaged.
There we go. Jeez, I'm firing bad shots at him. Nice.
Gotta pass me the hookah.
Okay.
Torpedoes to port.
Oh, there's Torbs coming in.
Oh, fuck! That's hitting me, coach!
Our team is taking the lead.
Oh, I'm maneuvering. I'm maneuvering. What a
Oh,
maneuver!
oh my gosh, I'm about to get drilled. Full speed!
Just maneuvered the fuck past those.
No way, those all just missed. I'm not buying that. Oh my gosh, he's so fast now. Turn on the fucking jet.
I hit him.
Bro, he's whipping. Look how much he's fucking bouncing on that shit, bro. Looking like Angelo White out there, dog.
He lives for now.
Bang. Oh, we got hella shooters over here. There's so many torches.
Oh, I
being
disabled
launched.
one. I disabled the guy that just shot those torps.
I'm disabled. There's a guy right there too. What the hell? There's people all over the place. Oh, Okay, I'm doing no damage on this battleship. Okay, I'm doing no damage on this battleship. I think I'm gonna have to switch shells. Shoot the shells. Yeah, this Chester, she's not great.
Yeah.
She's not great.
Oh no, I just missed all those.
Ooh, watch item is in
The
14
enemy team
minutes.
has taken the lead.
She rice action.
The enemy is about to win.
Enemy's about to win. How? Oh, we're getting fucked.
Our team is not doing. I might just switch to HE. This is not going well. Yeah, just like can't ever shoot.
So what on fire?
I can barely fucking shoot. We gotta destroy this ship, otherwise we're in big trouble. Nice.
Destroyed.
It's big. They pat me the hookah.
This guy's over here thinking shit is sweet.
Shoot the shells.
Well, guess what? Shit stinks. Stinks like shit.
My shit ain't busting too good. I ain't gonna cab, dog. I ain't gonna cap, homie.
One of these fuckers is almost gone. He's fucking whipping that shit though.
Set on fire. Bang! Afuera, son! We could pull this back. We could pull this back with some grit, determination, and a smile on our face.
We can
Come
do
on,
this.
how's this ship not dying, bruh? He's invincible.
Oh no! I've been
Oh, this guy's pulling up on us. Destroyed that ship. Huge shots. Those are the last shots we could have taken on. Oh, what do you think you're doing over here, boy? You're mine.
At last, the boy's soul is mine.
Dodge that idiot. Didn't dodge that.
One more and he's dead. Oh, little voice crack. Oh, I'm so nervous.
Oh, I'm taking big damage here. Taking big damage here.
I'm taking Big D. I'm taking Big D.
Oh god. Oh god.
Oh, I just got drilled by a torp. I wasn't paying attention. I was so hyper focused. Oh my gosh, it's just us. We have to go big.
Oh no, the torp is headed right for me, mate. It's not looking good for me.
I'm stuck against the rocks. Fook. Put it in reverse, Terry.
It's not looking good for me.
Oh, there's a destroyer just absolutely whipping by me. Oh, I could be in big, big trouble. If he torps me, I'm in big, big trouble. Oh, I'm fooked. Oh, I'm fooked, mate. This is it for
too.
me. I'm going down with the ship, mate.
I'm the last hope. It's always been just me.
That was poor captainship by me. I was hyper focused. I should have just gone forward. Fuck.
Take it easy, man. Take it easy, man. Get flamed on.
Okay, did my spell check turn off on my phone? Like, what the fuck? Okay, I swear
Oh,
my spell
fuck.
check turned off or something with the...
This guy's fucking whipping it over here.
Wait, how do I even pan you? Oh, there we go.
Ah!
Yeah, good luck. Man, that Chester was some bullshit.
I'm going down, coach. I'm going fucking down.
Yeah.
We're not winning.
The Valiant, we both died. In the middle of the sea.
They got us
Hey, you
that
can't
time, but our
win 'em all.
teammates sucked.
You can't win them all.